Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually earn up to 50 to $100 per day with CPA marketing. All right, CPA marketing. Now I did a previous video on CPA marketing, and I also gave you a guide on what CPA marketing is all about. So in case if you missed that video, I'm going to be dropping the link to that video on the comment section so that you can watch that video and know more about CPA marketing. But to make everything short, CPA marketing means cost per action. Okay, so it is unlike affiliate marketing where people have to make a purchase before you get your commission. But with CPA marketing, you don't necessarily need to convince your audience to make a purchase. All they have to do is just to make a call or fill out a form or generate leads, and then you get paid immediately. So that's the reason why CPA marketing is easier than affiliate marketing. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you another platform called Offervault. Okay, so that's the name of the website, Offervault. So don't just jump and go to Google to know more about Offervault, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do all these things. So I would like you to stay calm, watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss out anything. And in case if you are still new to my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe to that YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and also share this video so that you can actually get more knowledge. And in case if you subscribe, I'm going to be giving you more updates on how you can actually make money online. So that's what this YouTube channel is all about. So please guys, like this video, subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that you can get notified anytime I post new video. So let's get started guys. So now this platform is called Offervote, as you can see right here, Offervote. So I'm going to be dropping the link on the comment section. So when you click that link, it will give you free access to so many tools right here. So it is better you click that link, because Offervote will always like you to register through members who have Offervote account. So that's the reason why you have to register through the link on the comment section so that you can get your account activated immediately. Okay, so if you want your account to be activated immediately, go to the comment section and click the Offervolt referral link right there so that you can actually register. So let me show you how you can actually make money with Offervolt. Now Offervolt is very easy, unlike CPA Grid. So there are a lot of offers right here, as you can see, a lot of offers right here, and you can see the payout. This one is $3.24, this one is $12.84, this one is $0.06. Okay, there are lots of them right here, but I want to show you the one that is very easy, guys. I want to show you the one that is very easy and the payout is very high, and that is pay per call. So let me click pay per call right here, as you can see. So let's just wait for some time. So this is it. This is pay per call offers. Now, what is pay per call offers? Pay per call offers are the CPA offers where someone has to make a call through your link. Like if you're sharing the link and someone clicks that link and maybe click a particular call to action. When the person clicks the call to action button and makes a call for like 60 seconds or 50 seconds or 80 seconds, you get paid immediately, guys. So this is very easy, just to call. The person will not pay anything. Okay, there's nothing like pay or make this. All the person has to do is just to call using that link, and then you get paid. So let's look at this one first. The first one says appliance repair, and you get $14 per call. As you can see, it is home service. So all you have to do is just to share this link to those who actually need home service, how am I going to call it, home service attendants or something like that, so whenever they make the call, you get paid for $14. As you can see, this one is immigration lawyers. In case if you want to hire an immigration lawyer, you can actually use this link. If you know anybody that wants to hire an immigration lawyer, all you have to do is just to share this link to the person, and when the person clicks the link and makes a call, you get paid $20. See this one, it said legal motor vehicle accident. So this is for those who have a car crash or something like that. You can actually use this link and then you get paid $130. This one is very big. Wow, guys, this is how you can actually earn up to $50, $20, $100 $130 or even $200 just to share CPA links. And when people click on that link, you get paid immediately. So first thing to do is just to register. So I will just come over here, click here, click register. Already I have an account. I just want to show you how you can register. So you can just type in your first name, Tony, anyhow. Okay, so you can type in your last name. Let me say Born, and you can type in your email address, any email address at all. Let me say tony@gmail.com, anyhow. Okay, so let me say at Gmail. Although this is not a real email address, I'm just using it for tutorial purpose. Okay, so you can type in your password, any password at all. You come in here, confirm password. You type in the same password. You come over here, select your country. So you can select any country of your choice. Let me say, Australia. And then you can actually type in your Skype. In case if you're on Skype, you can actually type in your Skype. But if not, when you are through, just click submit now. Just click submit now, guys. So when you are through with that, your account is going to be pending for some while, and you have to confirm your email address. After that, your account will be approved. Okay, so make sure you use the link on the comment section so that it won't waste time. So let's come back to this paper call. I'm going to click paper call because that's the best offer, the cheapest offer. So let me scroll down at this legal motor vehicle accident. Let's say you want to select this one because the payout is very high, $130 just per call. So I will click it. Then you just read the details very well. The CPA is $130. Then you can actually preview landing page, and the network is DOPP call. So DOPP call, and the countries is only in US. So that means you need to look for those who are in US. Okay, this link is meant for those who are in US. So this motor vehicle accident, you need to look for those who are in US who need a legal attendance who will actually help them, maybe because they had a motor vehicle accident or something like that. So just look for them. Look for those kind of people. You can actually find um, people from US on Facebook groups. You can find them on YouTube. You can also find them on this website called Robo. There are a lot of US citizens on Robo. You can also find them on TikTok. You can find them on Instagram. So just make sure you are looking for US citizens. Okay. So when they click and makes a call, within some seconds you get paid immediately. So if you want to run this offer, just click run offer. So it will direct you to doppcall.com. This is where you're going to register as a publisher because the network is under DOPP call. Okay, so make sure you register so that your link can be given to you as soon as possible. So this is it. This is it. Okay, so this is DOPP call website. As you can see, this is it. So all you have to do is just to click here. Click at this sidebar right here. So let's just wait for some while. So this is it. So these are the steps which you need to perform. Then I can just click in, you can sign up. If you're not a publisher, you can sign up by clicking sign up as an advertiser. So guys, when you click sign up, all you have to do is just to fill in your forms, your name, your email address and everything. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Very, very important. Okay, so let me just go to next. So this is it. You click your company name, which is optional. You can just type in your name, your company website. If you don't have a website, no problem, just copy your Facebook page link or your YouTube channel link and you paste it. You type in your first name, you type your last name, you type your email address. You can also type in your phone number. In case if you're not from US, you can click this US icon and look for your country. So let me just select Argentina, although I'm not from Argentina. Then you can type in your phone number, you type in your password, and then confirm password. Then after that, you click next. Okay, so let me just fill in some form right here. So let me come to company name, type Tony, come to company websites. Let me say nosouvenir.com, nosouvenir. .com. Then type your first name, last name, email address. Let me say go at gmail.com. Then I can just type in any phone number. Then type in my password. So make sure your password is very strong. So I can just come over here and repeat the same password. So when you're through with that, just click next. And when you click next, automatically your account will be pending for some while. Then when it is pending, they are going to send you an email that your account has been approved. Okay, so let me come back here to Offervault. So when your account is being approved, when you click this run off again, they are going to send you your affiliate link. Okay, they are going to send you the link, and when you share that link, you get paid instantly, guys. You get paid instantly. So that's just it, guys. So I'm going to drop more videos on Offervault. All right, I'm going to drop more videos on Offervault. So make sure you stick to my channel, as I'm going to be giving you more update. So thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video.